Amazon's first clothing store lets you summon clothes to the fitting room. Oh, you don't have to ask anybody, including fitting rooms equipped with touchscreens. Oh, someone's going to bring it still, but you just...
Sure.
When's the last time you were in a fitting room, Will? That's what I thought. Yeah. How about you, Mo? What? Boxing Day. You were in a fitting room? Wow. You were trying on clothing. Incredible. How did it go? You get them? Okay, good. Well, this Amazon one is even slicker and smoother than whatever it was that Mo was doing. Because here, look, what do you get? A whole look? What's going on here?
Yeah, so this is the whole outfit that's made by Fashionista.
Wow.
They curate it, and then you could just pick out the outfit, you scan like a code, and then the whole outfit in your size will be ready in your room, your change room. So you want to pick out any
Here she goes. She gets to number 24. Here we go. She goes to number 24. She unlocks it. This is my fitting room. Oh, it's a very nice fitting room, too. Hi, Serena. Welcome to your room. And it's all there for her to try on and just have a time.
It's not bad.
And oh, wait,
you have a little touch screen.
So she's tried on a few things, but then she needs a couple more. So she taps that into the touch screen.
Yeah.
There's a mirror in there. And then she's like, you know what? I'm going to buy this one. Amazon style shops. You know what, Mo? That would have made your life easier, man. I think you would have tried on a few more things because it's annoying the way it is, right? Yeah. What is it?
Yeah.
A weird pile. And don't you often have to go past a person who's kind of monitoring the section?
At the place that I went to, they give you a little ticket of how many items you brought.
Old school style.
Right.
So Mo's describing his experience. They give you a ticket with how many items you brought in so you don't steal them. Amazon doesn't care about stealing. They're like, we got your face. We got your biometrics. They're like, go ahead and try, Mo. But yeah, it's great.
Have at it.
It's interesting. You got all these areas and segments where it really hasn't changed or developed at all. And technology hasn't penetrated for whatever reason. And then you see this and you're like, yeah, of course, Amazon. So where are they going to open this store, this style, or is this just a one-off?
I think they said it here, but I'm not completely sure.
Although it appears they rely heavily on automation, Amazon says its new style store will still have traditional employees who will be focused on customer service, delivering items to fitting rooms, helping customers to check out, and managing back of house and processing payments. They obviously have Amazon Fresh stores and then the convenience style stores, Amazon Go stores.
And they all merge into one day?
Sure.
You know?
Or they're just beside each other. Oh, here we go. It's due to open at the Americana at Brand Shopping Mall in Los Angeles later this year, where it will be Amazon's first ever physical apparel store. There you go. QR codes. Future.